Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to work on Math Practice 5.1. Now, this right here is what your page looks like, and down at the bottom, it shows page 217, and you also have page 218. Okay, but I am going to work with you on different pages, and then when we get to this page, then you will start writing with me. Okay, so this is to introduce the math concept here. We are going to count each type of objects and write the number in each set, and then count the number of objects and write the number for the whole. Okay, so this right here is a set, okay? And part of this set is red and part of this set is yellow. So let's look at that. How many parts of this set are red? 3. So we're going to trace the number 3. Okay, how many in this set are yellow? 1. So we will trace the number 1. Now, what is our whole? Meaning, how many do we have all together in this set? Let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will trace the 4. Mrs. Hensley is not using her stylus. She's using her mouse. So I'm having a really hard time writing. Okay, so we know now 3 and 1 is 4. Okay, part of our set has 3 red ones. Part of our set has 1 yellow one. And all together our whole is 4. Okay, let's look at our tiger cats. How many tiger cats are in our set? We have 1. So we will write the number 1. How many of our tiger cats are black and white? 1, 2. So we will write the number 2. So part of our set has 1, part of our set has 2. How many does our set have all together? 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 is 3. Good job. Okay. How many of this set right here, how many gray and white bunny rabbits? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write the number 5. Okay, how many of our set has brown bunny rabbits? 0. We have 0 brown bunny rabbits. How many does our set have as a whole altogether? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 and 0 is 5. Okay, now we will go to the next page right here, and we're looking at the number 1 apple. Right here, the number 1 apple. Our set has foxes. Okay, how many gray and white fox do we have in our set? What part of our set is gray and white foxes? 1, right here, 1. So we will write the number 1. What part of our set has orange and white foxes? 1, 2, 3. 3. So what is our whole all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 and 3 is 4. Part of our set has 3, part of our set has 1, and our whole is 4. Let's look at the raccoons and the husky dogs. How many raccoons do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 raccoons. How many husky dogs are in our set? 1, 2. 2. What is our whole all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 and 2 is 5. Okay. Okay, now we have bears and reindeer. Let's look at our set. We have how many bears? 1, 2, 3. Part of our set is 3 bears. How many reindeer? Oh, part of our set has 0 reindeers. And how many do we have as a whole? 1, 2, 3. So 3 and 0 is 3. Okay, now we're going to this page. It says show one way to draw 4 spots on the ladybug. Write the number of spots on each wing. So we need to show 4 spots on the first ladybug. So that must mean our whole is 4. Okay, so our whole is 4. How many spots could I put over here? And how many spots could I put over here to make a total of 4? What if I put 1 dot here? How many dots could I put on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many dots are over here? 1. How many dots are on this side? 1, 2, 3. 3. So 1 and 3 is 4. Now, these 2 ladybugs show 2 ways to draw 5 spots on the ladybug. Write the number of spots on each wing. Okay, so this one needs 5 spots, and this one needs 5 spots, and they can't have the same spots. Okay, so how many spots could I put right here on this side? It has to be less than 5 because our whole is 5. So let's put 1, 2. Okay, let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many is on this side? 1, 2, 2. How many is on this side? 1, 2, 3. So let's make sure that 2 and 3 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we have to show a different way this time because it says show 2 ways. So we need to show a different way. How many? I can't put 2 over here on this side because we already have 2 on this side on above. So how many could I put here? Could I put 1? Well, if I put 1 there, how many would I need to put on the other side to make 5? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many is on this side? 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. So 1 and 4 is 5. Okay, now we're going to the next page, which is the page that you have. How many red chips are in our set? 4. So we're going to trace the 4. How many yellow chips are in our set? 0. How many all together, or how many whole? Our whole is 4. So 4 and 0 is 4. Okay, let's go to the number 1 apple. How many in our set are red? 1. How many in our set are yellow? 1. So 1 and 1 is 1, 2. 1 and 1 is 2. Part of our set has 1. Another part of our set has 1. And 1 and 1 makes a whole, which is 2. Okay, let's look at number 2, the dogs. How many brown dogs do we have? 1, 2. 2 brown dogs in our set. How many white and brown spotted dogs? 1, 2. 2. So what is our whole? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 and 2 is 4. Okay, let's go to our back page. We have dogs with blue collars and dogs with burgundy collars. Okay, how many dogs in our set have blue collars? 1. So we put a 1 here. How many dogs in our set have burgundy collars? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write the number 4. How many do we have all together? So what is our whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 and 4 is 5. Okay, let's now look at our black and white dogs. How many black and white dogs do we have in our set? We have 1, 2. So let's write the number 2. How many black dogs do we have? Oh, 0. So how many do we have as a whole? All together, we have 2. So 2 and 0 is 2. Okay, now let's look at our ladybug down here. It says, show one way to draw. Let's see, Mrs. Henley. It says, show one way to draw 3 spots on the ladybug. So our whole must be 3. So Mrs. Hensley's going to put a 3 right here because that's our whole. How many spots could I put over here? And how many spots can I put over here to make 3 as our whole? Let's see if I could put 1, 2 spots here. Now, can I put 2 spots over here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. I have 4, and my whole is only supposed to be 3. So, let's try that again. Let's put 2 over here. 1, 2. And 1 over here. 1, 2 over here. 1, 2, 3. 1 over here. So 2 and 1 is 3. Okay, now Mrs. Hensley wants you to take a picture of pages 217 and 218. So take a picture of this page and this page. So you're going to have to click the green Add Response button and take a picture of this page and this page and put them both inside the template, and then click the green check mark button when you're finished. Have a great day.